welcome to the next edition of the Team Member E-Lounge training video session. Today we are going to learn how to do a search in ReferenceUSA. My name is James Green. I'll be your host on this exciting adventure. And the first thing that you need to do is go to the top secret document and hit Control F, F as in Frank, and then type in the word reference. When you click on the word find, then it will find you what you're looking for. Also, a little side note here, I'm going to be periodically giving you general computer shortcuts and tricks to help you in many other areas of computer besides just this video. So the next thing you do when you're in a top secret document, besides clicking on the link to take you to this page, then you want to highlight and copy the number. You can do that by hitting Control C, that stands for copy, then hit Control V, and that pastes it. Also, if you look on your keyboard, Control X is cut. So all three of those are right beside each other, very handy for copying, cutting, and pasting. So we're going to log in. In this particular example, we're going to do a search for banks that are local banks or regional banks instead of national banks. So go down to U.S. businesses. Under company name, that's where you'll type the search criteria. So we're just going to type in the word bank. It's actually going to have the word bank in the name. And for reference sake, we're going to go to Tampa. And anytime on the computer you have a state search, all you have to do is hit the first letter of the state and it'll pull it up. If there's more than one state with the same beginning letter, then you hit it multiple times. So if we were going to do Maryland, the first time it goes to Maine, the second time you hit M, it goes to Maryland. So we're going to be in Florida this time, and hit enter, and then click on view results. So you can see here's the list of banks that come up, and there's a list of ones that Jodie does not want you to save, and it's the national banks such as Bank of America, Wells Fargo, City Financial. And when you're ready to select the ones that you want to keep, you can go down and select them individually, or if you look up in the blue bar up here, there's a box. When you select that, it selects them all. So sometimes you want to select them all because, and this will help in general too when you're selecting things, if you have only a few of them that you don't want, then you're better off selecting the whole thing and then deselecting the ones you don't want. So once you have all of the ones that you want selected, then the next step is to download it into an Excel spreadsheet. So we'll go over to this download button, make sure Excel is highlighted or checked right here, and then you want detailed, all the data, then click download. And then once you click on that, it'll open up in whatever program will open up an Excel spreadsheet if you have Excel. I don't have Excel on this computer, but once you have it open, then go in and delete rows H, I, and J, and then send it to wherever Jodie has instructed you to send that particular search. So that's it. Thanks again for being here and joining us for this edition of the Team Member E-Lounge training video. We'll see you next time. And remember, you are extraordinary. Ha ha!